In this video, we will see how to download and install MySQL database server on Windows 10 operating system. Open your browser and search MySQL. Click on this link from mysql.com, which is the official MySQL website. So mysql.com, this is the official website of MySQL. Click on download section. Scroll to the bottom, click on MySQL community downloads. Click on this link, MySQL installer for Windows. You can see the latest version for MySQL is 8.0.42, and you can see two versions of MySQL MSI installer links. Both are labeled as 32-bit, but they will work on 64-bit architecture also. You can choose any one of these links. We will choose the second one. Click on the download button corresponding to the second MSI installer link. It will ask for free sign up, but it is optional and you can skip this. Click on this link. No thanks, just start my download. This will start downloading MySQL server. The size is around 350 MB. Just wait for the download to be finished. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Here is the downloaded MSI installer for MySQL. Double click the MSI installer. This will ask for confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. The MySQL installer has started. First, the setup will ask you to choose setup type. We will select custom. This will give us the chance to select the components that we would like to install. Click next. Here the left section will show available components to select and the right section will show selected components. Let us expand the MySQL server component by clicking on the plus icon. Select MySQL server 8.0.42. Click on this right arrow icon to add it to the selected components list. Now expand applications component by clicking the plus icon. Inside the applications, you can see MySQL Workbench. Let us also select MySQL Workbench and add it to the installation list. MySQL Workbench is not a part of MySQL database server. It is a GUI tool that you can use to connect to MySQL server and manage MySQL databases that exist inside MySQL server. Now expand MySQL shell and select and add it to the installation list. MySQL shell is a command line tool that you can use to interact with MySQL server. So these are the components we are going to install. Click next. Click execute. Setup is installing the components we have selected. Wait till the setup completes the installation. This may take few minutes. The setup will show a green tick mark corresponding to the components that are successfully installed. So wait until you see green tick marks corresponding to all components. Now all components are installed. Click Next. Product configuration. Click Next. Type and networking configuration for MySQL Server. You can see the port number 3306. It is the default port number on which MySQL Server will be running. You can leave these settings as it is. Click Next. Authentication method. This option is recommended and selected by default. Click Next. Next, you have to set up a password for MySQL root user. Always use a strong password for MySQL root user and don't forget this password because you will need this password when you interact with MySQL server. Repeat the password. Make sure password and repeat password match. You can make a more strong password by using a combination of alphabets, numerics, uppercase and lowercase letters, and other characters like underscore, @ hash, $, and so. Click Next. Windows Service. Configure MySQL Server as a Windows service. Keeping this checkbox checked will add MySQL Server as a Windows service. Service name will be MySQL 80. We will keep these settings unchanged. Click Next. Server file permissions. This will ask if you want setup to update permissions for MySQL data directory. So this is the MySQL data directory that will be created during the installation. This is the directory where MySQL Server will keep all of its data. We will keep the default selected option. Click Next. Click Execute button to apply these configurations. Wait until settings are applied. Click Finish. Product configuration. Click Next. Installation is complete. Let us keep these options checked. This will start MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell after the installation. Click Finish. The setup has started MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. MySQL Workbench is a graphical user interface that can be used to connect and interact with MySQL Server and databases inside MySQL Server. Let me close this. The other program setup has started is MySQL Shell, which is a command line tool to interact with MySQL Server. The shell tool is currently under JS mode. First, we will switch to SQL mode. Use this command \SQL and press enter. Now the shell is in SQL mode. To connect to MySQL Server, type this command \connect space root at localhost and press enter. Root is the MySQL root user we have created in the setup process. Provide the password you have created for root user during the setup process. Save password for root. Type Y to confirm. The MySQL shell is connected to the MySQL server. Now let us issue some basic commands to MySQL server from the MySQL shell. Let us list all databases that are currently inside MySQL server. For that, use this command show databases. So these are the default databases MySQL comes with. Let us create a new database. Create database employees. Now if we run show databases command again, you can see new database is created. So the MySQL shell is useful tool to interact with MySQL server. So in this video you have learned how to download and install MySQL database on Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.